It's a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse. Be on the go with everyone you know with this versatile SUV. A spacious and pleasant interior with an easy-to-access third-row seat accommodates your passengers comfortably. A bevy of technology features is at your command, helping keep all present entertained. Connect with Bluetooth, an auxiliary audio input, a USB port, and a color touchscreen media display. OnStar 4G LTE connectivity with Wi-Fi hotspot enables you to easily stay in touch. Great safety features protect you and your precious cargo on every trip, including StabiliTrak and a rear vision camera. Everything you want in a competent vehicle is within this Traverse. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.